This kid gets more attention than 99% of the internet.
Honestly, there's not a single good thing about her face.
I'd probably rate you 3.75.
Millions of views, a cult following, and over 100K per month in clipping behind him.
How many people are clipping for you right now?
I believe it's about 1,000.
And yet his business is doing baby numbers because attention doesn't make you rich, funnels do. Today I'll be breaking down Clav's entire operation, ranking it on a Chatometer, and showing you the exact tactics that he could use to 3x his business overnight. If you don't know me, I'm Sabri Subi. I'm an investor on Shark Tank and have generated my clients over $7.8 billion in sales. All right, so who is Clav? Who is this guy that we are about to funnel mob? His real name is Braden Peters. He's 20 years old and he's gone completely viral about this whole thing called looks maxing and ascending, which is effectively altering your physical appearance in some way, whether it's working out, injecting yourself with peptides, or smoking crack. Yes, smoking crack, microdosing this stuff, and bone smashing in order to affect your appearance in a positive way so that you can ascend. Which brings us to the first lie that you have been sold by all of the influencers on the internet. You just need to get more attention. You just need more eyeballs on your stuff. When the reality of it is that you do not need more attention, you need better economics. Clav is about to get funnel mobbed by the internet daddy. In the guy's link tree is the ultimate looksmax guide. And we come across here. On this page, he's got 1,100 members paying $39 per month. Let's just round it up. Let's just be a little bit generous for him and say that he's actually got 1,200 members. So that's gonna be $46,800 a month. For 2.2 billion views, the #1 link in your funnel is doing under 50K? Good Lord, something is going wrong here. So according to the fine folk on the internet, including Clav, the guy makes around $1.8 million a month. The majority of his revenue comes from his deals with both Stake and Kick. And we're gonna remove them. What we're specifically focused on is the ability to turn attention into actual money and run it through a funnel. What I have found is that there are only 3 things that you need to have in place in order to make money on the internet. And the first thing is you need to have the ability to either earn attention or to buy attention. Attention is the input that comes in. Then you need to have a funnel, which is basically just a step-by-step process that you take completely ice cold traffic, attention on the internet through, that warms those people up, educates them on what it is that you do, and then makes them a compelling offer. What is the offer that we're gonna make to these people to take them from who the hell are you to shut up and take my money? They're the only 3 things that you need to have in place in order to make a sickening amount of money on the internet in today's day and age. When we arrive on this page, look at this thing. This thing is bare bones. No wonder the conversion rate on this thing is absolute dog shit. First piece of selling material is what appears to be a native video, but let's play this thing and see.
If you're tired of being invisible to women, tired of getting rejected, and tired of watching other guys—
First of all, what is going on with Homeboy's tan? He looks like he has fallen asleep on the beach in Saint-Tropez. Let's just get the gist of this thing.
won the genetic lottery, take what's yours, then pay attention.
Enough of the video, let's get into the source of this thing. So let's see the claims that this guy's making. Welcome to the final bastion of sanity. This thing looks like it just came straight out of ChatGPT. We've even got the M dashes in here. Stop scrolling communities that don't change how you look. Pharmacology, diet, training, surgery. Good God. Spots are limited to maintain quality. We hit capacity, the door closes. Probably some fake ass scarcity, if you ask me. And this shit is giving the internet daddy the highest cortisol that I could possibly have. Realistically, if you look at industry benchmarks, the boy should be converting at least 1% of cold traffic into his main offer. Now, if he was doing that, that means that he would be pulling in 220,000 new members per month at $39 a month. That would equate to $8.5 million from school alone. Alrighty, so we've just gone over what is wrong with this funnel. Now let's cover exactly what would we do to Clav's funnel to get him to ascend and make his funnel mob. Well, the first thing is we need to craft what I call a Godfather offer, which is an offer that is so good that your prospects simply can't refuse it. And the way that I recommend doing that is starting with an entry offer, just something very, very small that gets somebody to say an easy yes. a $7 info product that gets them some immediate results, and it solves a micro pressing problem where they can try it and they can use it and then be like, oh, this works. Amazing. If this works, then I wonder what the other stuff that this guy's got to sell is. We want to have it so that the first sale sets up the second sale. They come in, they try the $7 product, they're like, amazing, this works. And then off the back end of that, he can call up every single member that basically either buys the $7 product or it is getting just such ridiculous volume that he doesn't have the manpower to do that. Then he can call everybody that joins the community. Sitting right now at 1,200 members, it ain't gonna be hard to call all of those people. You could probably get the thing done in 2 weeks. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna call these people up and we're gonna be making our secondary offer, which will be for a high ticket coaching program at around that 5K price point. Now, this is only the short-term plan for Clav. This all fits into a much bigger plan, which is we're gonna print as much profits as humanly possible through our info funnel. Then we're gonna take some of those funds and we're gonna start harder businesses that have more of a moat and can actually be a business that holds inherent value that he can one day exit from. What exactly are we going to be selling for $7? Well, the way that we're gonna figure this out is by surveying the audience. He has so much eyeballs, he could literally whip up a Google form or a Survey Monkey, and he would be able to literally ask his audience what it is that they want. So it might be a lymphatic drainage guide to give you a more chiseled jawline, right? It might be some facial exercises. I don't know. I'm not a part of this community, but effectively it would be the quickest, easiest win that I can give them that's gonna prove that my stuff works, that would then create a next issue that they need to solve through my other products that I'm gonna sell them. You got some outrageous shit to show me?
Yeah, and then you've got to try it.
Here we go. Here we go. So this is how you fraud your jawline. Now they mention.
How to jawline max. Is he using eyeliner on his jaw? Fucking jawline maxing. Oh my God, what am I doing for YouTube? Oh my God. Oh my God, this shit is horrendous. What, is this a fucking pen, bro? Fucking hell. Oh. Jawline maxing. So this is the first piece of the puzzle. But then what we can notice if we look at the rest of his link tree is he has arcane peptides now live. Clearly, homeboy is selling peptides. So the best sellers, $95 for the GLP, GHCU is $35 to $50. So based on this, he's getting 57,000 visits in the last 30 days. We're gonna say that the boy's pulling in roughly $95,000 per month in peptides. Again, baby numbers based on the amount of traffic the homie's getting. So when we're talking about how do we get a 1% conversion rate, what I would be doing is I would not be linking to this crappy school page, this thin, shallow landing page that is not gonna convert nobody to do nothing. Instead, what I would be doing is building what we call a bridge page. It would be a long form sales page that further heats up this traffic, this ice cold traffic, someone who's just basically seen this guy's mug pop up on TikTok, yapping about something and gone, hey, that actually sounds interesting. Let me go check this guy out, go across to his TikTok page, then click on his link in bio and go through. I wanna be able to take that person who knows nothing about the guy, warm them up, build enough desire to actually get them to pull the trigger and buy something. So then he should take all of this and he should put together a well-crafted VSL. I would almost wanna see like a mini documentary of the kid. Like I'm talking about 20 to 30 minutes in length to really document emotionally what his story is and then show that it's not just him, that he has helped thousands of people, not dozens, thousands of people who have been struggling with acne or not ascending and jester maxing and all this shit. I would have lots of proof, lots of testimonials, video testimonials, written screenshots of what people are saying in his community, and just a much better crafted VSL that's gonna do a lot more heavy lifting than what this is gonna do. So here's how to apply this same methodology to literally 3x any business overnight. So what most businesses do is they go out into the marketplace and they try to sell their product. And most people, they don't even have a guarantee, they don't have a Godfather offer. They are literally going out to cold traffic and they're saying, buy my stuff, which is a ridiculous ask. And that's why their conversion rates are so low, their ROAS is so low, and they have really small businesses because that is not the way to build a big business. If you look at the way that big businesses are run, they are always typically gonna have a mass market Godfather offer that brings as many people into their world as possible. For instance, for mine, you might see my stuff and you can see that I'm always advertising my book or free information. I lose money on every book that it is that I sell, but it brings people into my world. So the way that you can apply this to your business is you create something that I call a splinter product, where you splinter off a desirable solution to your market based on just a splinter of what your core offering is. Most businesses don't operate like this. They are simply advertising their back end product on the front end, and then they wonder why their business isn't growing at the rate that they want. The easiest one is gonna be the second sale. So that's exactly what it is that you wanna focus on. Have an engineered path that you run people through. This is what gets most people. It trips them up. They're like, no, Sabri, I started my business to make money. But the problem is, if you're trying to make money off every single transaction, then you'll never make the big money overall. So map out what that looks like in your business. What is a splinter product that you can offer that gets an irrational amount of people saying yes? And therefore, if you've got a second and a third offer, this is where all the profit is made, because you've already liquidated the advertising cost to get that person, and then everything outside of delivery costs is pure profit for the business. So that's exactly how to 3x the sales of any business. Now, if you like this video, the next step for you to do is, once you've gone through this process and you've created your front end offer and your back end offer, you need to wrap this up in something that I call a hero mechanism to actually make it work. And I've created this video that runs you through exactly how to set one up for your business. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.